Get some.
Number 1, strong push off the wall and glide. Number 2, glide, pull with right arm, breathe. Number 3, bring right leg up with right pull arm. Number 4, kick hard. Number 5, glide, pull with right arm, breathe. Number 6, use left guide arm to pull body deep underwater and swim straight. Number 7, repeat, create rhythm, and take each glide. Number 1, glide. 2, pull, breathe. 3, kick. 4, guide. 5, repeat. Now here you see the glide in the water floating through. Pull, breathe, mouth and lips come up. Your right arm, right leg both come up. Kick hard. Take the glide and guide. Repeat. Here you can see from outside the water, very minimal body breaking the water surface, mostly underwater. Keep your arm underwater. Keep guiding straight. Combat side stroke. Get some.